This is a quick tutorial to show you how to use the MyBinder feature of the National Agricultural Literacy Curriculum Matrix. The Curriculum Matrix has hundreds of lesson plans and companion resources, and to help keep these organized, we've created a MyBinder option so that when you're browsing through a lesson and you really like it or a companion resource, you can throw it into the binder for later retrieval. For example, if you were searching lessons like dairy because it's National Dairy Month, and you realize, wow, there's quite a few lessons and I really like some of these. Oh, but maybe I should search by my grade level, upper elementary, and then you would get a smaller list of those lessons. And maybe you like Food Masters Milk and Cheese. This lesson has a lot of information on it, and occasionally we add additional resources, or we fix a typo, or we add vocabulary, or we put a graphic in. But the next time you use this lesson, these kinds of things would be updated. So that's another good reason for keeping a binder. So you would simply go here, My Binder, or add to My Binder since you don't have one. You're going to get the same link. If you have a binder, you log in here with the email and password that you set up. If you've forgotten your password, it'll be sent to the email that you had previously, or if you don't have an account, simply click here. And I'm going to put in, actually I'm going to put in seed and the last name science. And the email is, in this case, seedscience@gmail.com. And the password is, I'm going to just think of something simple. And the affiliation I have, helps inform us with areas that we have a lot of teachers with these kinds of materials. It just helps us to know where we should focus our efforts, and then create a binder. Now you can save it for this browser if you'd like. And now I'm back to the milk and cheese lesson. Sure, why not save it? And I can then say, yes, I would really like to, it's already in my binder because I was here when I created it. And this then would be inside of my binder. And if I don't believe it, I can take a look what's inside my binder. And sure enough, here's the Food Master milk and cheese. So back then to the lesson plans. Maybe I really wanted to take a look at a couple of other, oops, and don't want to go back too far. Let's go back to the binder, and then let's go back to the curriculum resources. And in this case, we were in dairy, and there was quite a list. Oh, and we were checked down here with upper elementary, so we don't have too many to choose from. Ones that will be appropriate for the grade level we're working with. And maybe there's some other lessons like sun to moo to you, and you say, I really like that lesson too. I'm going to add it to my binder. And then you can browse back and forth here, and at a later date, you say to yourself, I would really like to check out what's in my binder. Maybe I'll add one more. Cowabunga, it's all about dairy. And again, this has quite a few essential files and a vocabulary. Anything gets changed, the next time you log in to your binder, it'll be there. Add this to my binder. Now let's take a look and see what's in there. And sure enough, we have Cowabunga, the Food Masters Milk and Cheese, and Sun to Moo to You. And let's say after a while you decide that you really don't know if you like that lesson, or it's not, you're changing grade levels, you can select out, and then you can remove some of the lessons from your binder. So that's a simple way about to use your binder. Log in each time, and if you're using a computer with somebody else, go ahead and log out. And now nobody has access to your particular resources. I hope that's helpful as you develop or as you surf and search through the curriculum matrix with the lessons that you'd want to use to increase agricultural literacy in your classroom.